We must brief up about blockchain and their terminology, types of blockchain networks, cryptocurrency, and then we will discuss because Ethereum was born from Bitcoin, so base of Ethereum, and Bitcoin is the first application of blockchain network. I know that every expert explained you all these, but I will do them of all of these. Broad definition, blockchain is a growing list of records. These records here are known as blocks, and these blocks are connected through cryptographic functions, SHA-256 and so on. So first we have to discuss about blocks and cryptography. So for the block, we'll discuss these main keywords like hashing, block hash, distributed network, previous hash. I will explain all of these through practical demo, which is available at these sites. This is https blockchaindemo.io. Another one is andersbrowser.com blockchain oblique hash. I'm just opening this site and from first blockchaindemo.io. You can check with your system. You can browse that. A blockchain is a distributed database. This demo will guide you through the blockchain step by step. This in this particular article at Medium. For an understanding of cryptocurrency, we also check out with Coin Demo. Next, for explaining the Bitcoin. Next is want to subscribe, you can subscribe. Otherwise, go to next. In 2.0, built-in peer-to-peer network, new topics and explanations, revamped interface, source code, etc. What is blockchain? Blockchain has a list of blocks, as I already told you. It starts with a single block called the Genesis block. You can see here. This is a block have a data welcome blockchain demo. There's previous hash is 0 because Genesis block have always be 0 previous hash. That is the first block of a blockchain with index number of 0. Getting hash with the help of a cryptographic function. I will explain you. Genesis block. Whenever you add data here in block and you add new block, that will. Next is block. Each block stores the following information: index, timestamp, hash, nonce. Index is same as array, and array starts from 0 in maximum languages. In some languages that starts from 1. The first also have an index of 0. The next block will have an index of 1, always be +1, and so on. Next. What is timestamp? Timestamp is this. When this block was created, this is the timestamp. Helps to keep the blockchain in order. Hash. Talk about cryptography. In cryptography, we always discuss different algorithms, hash functions, SHA-256, 512, 128. These are the different pure hashing algorithms we are using. And hash looks like a bunch of random numbers and letters. It is the alphanumeric value. Same, that is fingerprint. That is a digital fingerprint. Properties of a hash: fixed length, like we talked about that SHA-256, that is fixed length always be Same data always maps to same hash. Different data always maps to a different hash. I will explain you. Within practical limitation, is easy to compute. That is an irreversible process. A small change in data leads to a large change in hash. Valid hash. Valid hash for a blockchain is a hash that meets a certain requirement. For this blockchain, you are seeing here, that is zeros, 3 zeros. That is the difficulty level. Number of whenever we are increasing number of zeros, the difficulty level of mining is your valid hash. If there are no zeros, then that is invalid hash. I will show you next some slides. Calculation. This function of data is equal to hash. Since the hash is a digital fingerprint, function of int plus previous hash plus timestamp plus data plus nonce is equal to hash. Now, this type 0 plus 0, this is uh, value our data, and nonce value is this, and so on. Next, the previous hash is the hash of the previous block. Yes, like this hash is because previous hash of 1. This D75A becomes previous hash for block 1. We will check when data can store data currency such as Bitcoin that include money transaction. Yes, if you want to enter here some data like $25, $50, you can. That is the money, how much money you transfer. We will explain you in the next demos of coin. This is, if I am just entering here a space, you are seeing that hash is changed. That if you are making a slight change in the data, the hash always be changed. No, used to find valid hash. This is the nonce. And to find a valid hash, we need to find a nonce value. I will explain you in the mining. Yes, the process of determining this mining, this and keep incrementing it by 1 until I possible valid hash decreases, or with the increasing numbers of the increases. Yes, I already changed this space. That is, now this is known as a data mutation. When you change a data a little bit, a single space in the data, like this, then again, you change any, that is now. Next is also when I want to explain in the previous slide. Okay, when you change data mutate, then hash is in, and here is the uh, we have to mine again that particular block. also be invalid. A hash change. So try करते हैं. Let's try. Add 3 blocks, then mutate the Genesis input. This is on your system in demo.io. This will help you. Basically, for teaching, we want to explain our students, then that will help. Now, adding like I told you, $25. Yes, we are adding this. This is now $20 and 00D. This is 00A2CED, and we are adding this new block. We are yes 0025A, the Genesis hash of Genesis block. The previous hash of our block 1 is 00DC75. Again, there when we going to next block, we again added $25. This A2CED goes to here, and hash is 01945. I think I told you that there is a data, same data, hash network, but here we are seeing hash change. Yes, hash also depends upon the previous hash, block number, and data, all these things. That's why. Or similarly, two different packets, same hash. If there is the same hash, then I think always be collision, and to the hash managed with the hash function. That is nonce value, different nonce value. 42617 421. Adding valid blocks. Block yes, 0 and 2. Previous hash equal to the latest block hash. Block hash meets difficulty requirements, correctly calculated. So new blocks need to be validated. Next. Global network of computers work together. Blockchain secure, correct, and consistent. Peer-to-peer. Peer means when two people are communicating to each other, that means they are communicating peer-to-peer. Similarly, in block distributed networking, add peers. Yes, we can add peers here. Click the button to add peer. Add peer. This is first was Satoshi and second is Van. That is a van. Here is peers have this blue currently active, this red connected, green. How we can connect this with this? Now, transactions connected to peer and latest block when requested for blockchain, send when entire blockchain, sending when latest when sent over latest block when the communication between the van and Satoshi. connected this, if we add this here a key and we want to see this, there is nothing, only single block, block 0, Genesis block. Nothing else is there. When we connect this with the when a block, because that communicated with the P of the blocks to the Aki, and then now who has the most up-to-date blockchain. How communication is there? WAN and AKI. From there you can chat. I earlier slide. You get all the details related to Aki and Satoshi and peer communication. How peer is there? That is connect with peer, ask peer for the block and latest block. Yes, here connect here. Asking Aki for latest block. Aki requested for the latest block. Aki requested for blockchain. These all things are here in this flowchart. Peer blocks previous hash is P1 block ahead. Yes. Then if P block is valid, append block to blockchain or block to connected peer. Same. Peer's block index greater the latest block is P longer. No, do nothing. Yeah. Then ask here to entire same similar. Then again ask the latest block index. Do nothing. These are the steps involved in this peer communication. Point one. See, I already explained you like this this part no and this yes part. Already explained. These are 3 points and 3 points explained. Next is connect with peer. Next is node. Next. These are continue demo. These are immutability. Yes. What is immutability? Immutability means change anything. The block and the subsequent blocks become invalid. Why that becomes invalid? If you change here some data, just a space, the all blocks becomes invalid. That is the immutability. And immutability built through blockchain within the parties, because all untrusted parties are in this blockchain network, and the trust built by these features, immutability, provenance, and immutability, provenance, and finality and consensus algorithm. Next is 51% attack. What is 51%? If hacker want to hack all the blockchain network, then should be 51% people on hacker side. When they vote, they validate the blocks and they they can attack. But that is not possible, because when there are more miners in the network, the processing more distributed and no one has majority power. This leads to more secure blockchain. But sometimes there is a attack or there is a are always be there. That is through blockchain exchange. Total. Now we are going back to our slides. I already told you about consensus, provenance, and finality, and already all expert explained all these things. These build trust. These are the features those build trust between the parties or nodes of the blockchain. Public blockchain, private blockchain, consortium blockchain. We are today talking about public blockchain. And in the evening session, I will explain you about consortium blockchains, basically enterprises blockchain. Cryptocurrencies. I'm skipping all this, directly going to cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency or a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange. It's secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Let us explain this with the help of Coin Demo. Coin Demo is actually, due to time constraint, I am skipping all this. .io. Digital currency, as I explained. Now, the same thing. Let's mine some coins. Mining a new block will record a reward transaction. Reward transaction, what is when some miner mines Bitcoin or Ethereum, wherever, then he will be rewarded with the some reward that is in Bitcoin. That was 50 Bitcoins. After 4 years, that was 25 Bitcoins. After again approximate 4 years, that is 12.4. Because that is decreases after approximate 4 years or 2,10,000 Bitcoins. Let's mine new block. I mined this successfully mined block, that is 100 balance. Recipient amount to whom I want to pay. I can. Mining a new block will record a reward transaction with an out on the blockchain. To be explained this next. The coins are earned have been recorded on the blockchain. This Satoshi amount is 100. Unspent mutate. I already explained you of all this. Unspent is which is not spent till now. Yes. Where a certain amount of transaction output are where a certain amount of funds are going to. This table shows all of the transaction output of the blocks. This is 100. Next is to pay. There is a balance of 100. Yes. Get a transaction with another pair, like one is Satoshi, another one is Max, and I want to give Max to some Bitcoins, and I want to of one, total is 46 funds where that will be paid because we just mine a block. 100 is there, 100 from mining, and pay. Yes. Here max. This is 46. Max 45. Hundred from mining. Pay. Successfully paid. Yeah, just continued. Next is click on the button. This transaction. Yes, we have to create here. Yes, 45 Satoshi to max. These are not showing. Well, balance is again 200, and we paid approximate $90 and bitcoins to another miner max because confirmed. When we confirm this, my new block, we will get extra mining of 100 and also paid our 45. If max will do this and my new block, he will get 191. Gas fees is 1. The paid by me is 1, and the amount is paid by me is 45. And on demo, this is spent. This is spent 100, 100, 45. Satoshi is 54. Satoshi is 1. 1 is the gas fee. What is gas fee? Gas fee is basically a fuel or transaction charges for that. Whatever you are transacting, you are getting a transaction charges for that. That is the gas fee. Gas is like in some countries, petrol is a gas. That is a fuel. Similar. Unspent. Access. Once a transaction is created, it gets broadcasted to all the connected miners in the network. The miners that choose a mine, the block including the transaction. Yes, I already explained. This is spent output. Transaction recorded, and this is the record of all the blockchain, unspent, spent, or whatever is. That was coin demos last presentation, and then we will come to the Ethereum network. These are the demo sites. You can get all the demos here, and I think all are you all facing the same problem again? Hello, are you hearing me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay. Some people are again and again saying okay,
Yes, sir. It is audible. No problem.
It's audible, sir.
You're audible?
what problem are you facing?
Making
Maybe some network issue would be there, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please mute all. I will explain you Ethereum. These are the sites. Basically, blockchaindemo.io or CoinDemo will help. These sites help you for teaching to the students and also to now Ethereum is basically Ethereum is a global open source platform for decentralized application. It supports in Ethereum you can write code that control digital values, runs exactly.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
You are not able to see it.
Yes, sir, we are not able to see your slides. Yes, sir, it's visible now.
Now visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Ethereum is a global open source platform for decentralized application. Is basically a platform, whereas Ethereum is a platform on which you can write different types different applications. Basically, I will explain to this slide. Yes, Ethereum was initially described in a white paper of Vitalik Buterin, a programmer and co-founder of Bitcoin Magazine, in late with the goal of building decentralized applications. Before that, we are not able to build decentralized applications. Buterin had argued that Bitcoin needed a scripting language for application development, but is not able to gain agreement. He proposed the development in January in Miami conference and also launched in 2015. Ethereum is the world's programmable blockchain. That was launched in 2000. Founded it in the year 2014. Ethereum is the foundation for a new era of the internet. Basically, where money are built in, where users can own their data and your app and steal from you. Everyone has access to an open financial system. Neutral, open access infrastructure controlled. Nowadays, Buterin is again in news. Basically, he tweeted that Bitcoin is more centralized, not a Bitcoin community and Ethereum community. You can read from internet. You can check it out. Ethereum was initially described in a white. Already. Yes. Ethereum has a native cryptocurrency called Ether. ETH. Or Ethereum provide a decentralized virtual machine, EVM. You know about JVM, Java Virtual Machine? Maximum of you already worked on Java. There we are not directly similar process here, that is EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine. Gas, I already told you, that is the internal transaction pricing. That is when that is to save the network from spam. Gas is a commission. If spams are there and do the transactions without any gas fee, that is not possible. That's why the gas is charged here. That is very small amount. So that price volatility and price in January 13, 146. I took a class in the NITR. At that time, that was 265. And on May 12, 2020, that is 187. Yani ki yesterday. Now, you are seeing here in 2018, that was around 2000, around $1,400. One Ether was approximated $1,400. At the same time, Bitcoin was around $10, something like that. That is the price of this. That is price volatility. Always people warn or that very huge volatility in the prices of the Ethereum and Bitcoin. Always aware us. Set up Ethereum wallet. Now, do your work. First step, add web wallet. Extension to. There are many browsers, MetaMask, Fortmatic, Taurus, or Uport, or other also Ganesha or something like that. But we are using here MetaMask. For that, visit the. I will also do this with you, people. And this MetaMask.io. Yes, that is side. Download now. Are you people doing with me? That is basically a hands-on session. Do this. Thing you will get. Please reply on chat. Good. Download now. Download. Install MetaMask for Chrome or whatever browser you are using. That is Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer, whatever browser you are using. Install MetaMask for Chrome. That is add to Chrome. You can add extension from your tools. Go to add extensions. You can add from there also. Checking. Is added. Yes, there is. There are two. Already a MetaMask and you already have a seed phrase, you can import wallet and you can do that wallet, or otherwise you can not visible. I am again sharing with this share web browser.
Hello, sir.
Anji. Yeah.
Voice is breaking, and I have already installed MetaMask, but I now forgot the password. So what I can do?
Just wait a minute.
The
Actually,
screen is not visible.
yeah, I just stopped sharing and now started
It's
sharing.
now visible, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, visible.
Yes, sir.
If you have already a MetaMask and you have a seed phrase or password, then you can access that existing. Otherwise, let's get set up. There is no money involved in this. Create a wallet. I have many wallets. I will import the old wallet also. Agree? Create password. Whatever password you want to. Please mute your voice. Sister, please mute. Speaking Barkha Kakra, Barkha, you are not mute. Please mute. Uh, create create password.
Sir, I am on create a wallet. Now I have created a wallet.
Okay. To create a
Now
wallet.
yes, I agree. Now I have to create a password for this.
Yeah, you have to create a password. That is a simple password you may take, but secret backup phrase, which is showing here secret backup phrase. That download this secret backup. First, create password, then you will come to create secret backup phrase.
So I here click here to reveal secret words, right?
Yeah. Just this and your password is not seeing anyone else. I had down and just you put that your
Fire, air.
type.
Barkha ma'am, please kindly mute yourself. I'm unable to
Yes.
mute you.
Ma'am, from my side it is showing muted.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have sent one mail. Can you take a look on that?
Entire of congratulations. Now you get a screen of congratulations. Your wallet is created and done. Zero Ether, sorry, Ethereum. Ethereum is a platform. Ether is a currency. Zero Ethers are available, and we are on main Ethereum network. You able to see this? Is this visible?
So we are getting a congratulations slide. Yes, so now it's visible. MetaMask wallet is visible now.
uh, for deposit, we have to buy and then deposit. For that, we also available have a test wallets, Rinkby test network we can use. We will use these test Rinkby, Gorally test networks, whatever network you want to use, you can use. And also there is details are here. View on Etherscan, that is address, QR code, view on Etherscan, you will get a new screen here, and you are at Etherscan. Available and Ether value is 0. If you want to your name tag here, you can look to update if you want. In networks, I am using Rinkby. Actually, we have just 10 or 15 minutes, and I want you will do this Rinkby test network. At Rinkby test network, deposit. In deposit, you have a test faucet. Get ethers from faucet. You can hear crypto faucet. Fourth option is there, crypto faucet. Crypto. I think there is a problem of network. That's why some people not see a time and now what this bond I will post my address to Rinkby authentication for to get. Then I'm going to my Facebook account. And from here, address, I'm just copying my address, copy to clipboard. Put that in something. Sorry, you want to write something, you can write, but address is required basically, and share, create post. That post is to this address. Uh, this From here you can get address. I always forget this. Yes, this is the code. Copy the code into your website. This review. You can review here and you can get this the address of your this basically, and go to Rinkby. Put that here. No. I think forgetting. Give me the URL does not link. Sorry, this is not your. I'm just getting. Yes, URL of post is this. You can get this from, I will, from here, three words, click on this, embed, in advanced settings. In advanced settings, there is the URL of the post. Copy this and Linktree platform, put this, give me it. Whatever ethers I want, and funding accepted for Rosie Gag, Facebook book info, and I got this, and now ethers are 18.75 ethers. I just have zero few seconds before doing this. You are chatting, yes. I'm getting star, ring P. Please repeat the steps, sir. Dr. Sangeeta, from where you want you left? Getting star stats. Ring P, please tell us.
Sir, myself, Barkha, after black,
After black.
black page. Yeah, that on which stats?
Yeah, this is. At this, you are crypto faucets. See, cursor, this is crypto faucet. Crypto faucet.
Okay.
Click on this, you will get for this, copy your address from and go to your social network. Here you are seeing Twitter or Facebook. Post that to Facebook or Twitter, and you will get the address of that post. Copy here social network URL containing your Ethereum address. Give me Ether. For that, you have to paste address. Copy from the social network and paste here. You will get Ether. You will get Ethers. No problem. Just you are not doing Ringby authenticated faucets. Again, do I will show you. I'm just going to my this Ringby test network, deposit, get ethers. In get ethers, first is network stats. Another one is block explorer. Third one is crypto faucet. From crypto faucet, click on that. Crypto faucet, Ringby faucet. Here you have to paste your social network post of ether request of ethers. For that, go to MetaMask. Go to this address, copy this address copied, and your account address. Copy your account address and go to your Facebook or whatever, wherever you want to visit, that is on Twitter or Facebook, wherever. Copy that address here. You in for sorry for you. You have to click on embed first, then embed, and in embed, advanced settings. In advanced settings, of the post. Copy this post. Copy this post. And then paste on the your Ringby social plugin. Your this is paste here, and give me ether. What? How many? 8 hours, 7.5 ethers for 1 day, or 18.75 ethers for 3 days. These are test ethers, but you can use for your applications. Had you got the ethers or not? Got the ethers? Am I audible?
Very audible.
Yeah, you received it.
Yes, sir. Most of the participants have got the ether.
Okay. Next, that is, we have 18.75 ethers in our account. Now, we have 10 minutes. I want to show you basically but that is not possible in 10 minutes. Let's try. I, you can tell me. One is demo with the help of some built app by watch company. You can sell and buy watch with, from that app directly. You have no coding, nothing else. And next is your remix account. If you want to code, but that coding requires half an hour or 45 minutes. I think this block is, this demo is. If anyone not got the ether, I will share you presentation, and you can check all these things from that presentation. That is, mm, uh, I'm showing you. Just wait.
Hello, sir. Uh, so, so there are some
Yeah.
queries from the participants that what to do after posting on Facebook.
URL.
Your voice is not
Requires,
audible. Your voice is breaking.
okay, I'm right. Right.
Sure, sir. Sure. Yes, sir, we are getting your post.
What you want.
After the Facebook one, what to do after Facebook?
You add URL to the URL of the Facebook of that post URL you can get from in post you have three dots there. Click on three dots. Click on embed and in embed you click on advanced settings. From advanced settings you will get the that post. Copy that URL and URL. This is my post, Gagan Rosi, and this is my Ethereum address. And at this, you are seeing here, three dots are there on the right side. Click on that. Click on embed option for your website. Another one is show preview. Another one is your advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Click and paste in ring. Vishal, think that. Uh, you posted address of MetaMask, your account. Isha,
Main network or Robson?
no, yes, yeah.
Main network, Robson network. Address? So, hello? Which address we have to take? Main network or Robson? Hello, sir.
See,
I'm
URL
audible.
of the post, URL of the, yes, MetaMask address. You have to take MetaMask address.
But which
MetaMask,
network we have to consider? MetaMask main network or Robson?
MetaMask address. MetaMask address, not
Sir,
Robson,
which
Rinkeby,
network
or
we have to take?
anything else.
Rinkeby, okay.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, sir.
I'm Rinkeby, Rinkeby Ethereum testnet. And in this, you are able to this crypto faucet, fourth item on left hand corner. Yes, network status, block explorer, crypto faucets. I will show you MetaMask address from you have just this. This is the address 0@1. Just at your details that is your address, or you can copy this from here, copy to clipboard. Pragti must be getting some confusions because that first time it will take time. I will send you all the presentation to you. I just pasted pasted all the slides of this process. Good, good, GR. Abhay, you had done this?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Abhay, you done?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Actually,
you
sir,
are.
actually in between I am stuck actually.
Okay, okay,
Hi, sir. After the seeing your videos, the steps.
okay, okay. No problem. Okay,
Actually, doing fast time. That's why it will take.
okay.
And also, it is some issues in the Firefox. Okay, sir. I
That's
got it
good.
actually. Procedure already I have seen. Then I will try in free
Okay,
time.
okay, okay. I'm just going to so network, blockchain network. I will do this, and I will get when I click on this. I will get a MetaMask notification. You will get a MetaMask notification. When I open this site, you will get a MetaMask notification. MetaMask notification, you will connect this. Redo Redso blockchain demo. Would you like to connect your account? Connect. Now our account is connected. Now in this site, you are getting different watches for buying and selling. For sale, not for sale, because we don't have any watch at this time. First, we have and sale. Buy this. Click on buy. Before that, your MetaMask is just you will get this gas fee for this 0.00845 total, and buying this prime for 0.01 total cost is 0.18451 ethers. When you confirm this transaction, you will just wait. Processing. Now, confirm this session. 735 out of 18.75. You used your 0.87 some ETH for this. This is confirmed minus 0. Now you getting not for sale. These are network. People buy and don't sell. Like we buy this, we sell. If sell, selling 0.01, confirm. And yeah, you get this, get this, and total confirm, confirm. We confirmed that. That will take a time. Ether scanner. Just it will take time for 20 seconds. Just we are not getting good internet connection. That's why we are getting all these things slow. Success. This is a Rinqui testnet transaction only. Block is times is
Sorry to interrupt, sir, but your
this
screen
address,
is not
this address.
moving.
Not
Means your screen is.
I will share again. Okay. Stop sharing and share contents. Is it at it can uh, able to see everything about your transaction. That event, different event overview. I will share you this address. I think in constraint we are not able to explain. I also want to know that for a single smart contract with this, a simple smart contract, you can do this smart contract, that is a bank smart contract. You can take it from GitHub. You people know about GitHub. You people know about GitHub. Uh, you don't know about GitHub, make account at GitHub and you will find out all the codes or everything from GitHub. You can use that and make a simple Solidity. Uh, mix. You also get sometimes I got the opportunity to explain you everything. I will explain you everything.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an informative session. I think most of the
Hello, sir.
participants got to know about MetaMask.
Hello, sir. I have one doubt,
Yeah.
madam.
There is some query, sir.
Yes, sir. I have a query.
Please.
Sir, actually, yes, sir. How to store the different types of data in blockchain, sir? Suppose one data is either structured or unstructured or semi-structured. How to store in blockchain the data part?
You also have data structures in there. That is the same process.
Yes. So any kind of data also you can put it.
Like that is alphanumeric text, and next one is $25. That is just some money transaction. Whatever you want to do, you can do. There is no problem. There is another site I wrote there, blockchain-demo.ai. I explained you everything, but there was another Anders. Just you, if you able to Anders. Yes. Sure. I will share you all the steps. Basically, I will share you all the which I skipped, and this will help.
So this demo has been explained to the participants. This demo has been explained to the participants earlier in the first session.
Okay. Then from here you can get everything. Blockchain demo, you get simple items. In distributed network, you will see 1 minute tokens. Yeah, yes. Here you are getting different transactions now. Different transactions, different type of data is here, and you can.
Can you repeat the step how to sell the watch or that thing? I got the ether now.
When you buy, that is now able to. That is now available. You just click on sale. That for sale, because that for sale, someone buy it, and then he will sell and do the same process we had done. We buy it and then sold, and then if you people buy this, I think you can sell. Sale that is not available for. You can put the amount which you want, and then transaction that will be go. Someone buy it, then the transaction of your will you get like contract interaction. We had done confirmed. Till now there is no ethers for that, because someone had not buy that watch. We sold, but someone had not till now. Yes.
Participants, any doubts?
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, like MetaMask, Portis, other web extensions are there, so we can try out with this also. As you have shown in one of my voice is audible.
You can
So
try.
yeah, we can try with those also, sir, as well.
Yeah, you can. Just I put there is network Ganesh. I will show you. This is here in this 100 ethers for 10 addresses. For you will do this, but actually we have 1.5 hours and I have to explain everything. That's why I'm not able do this. Suite you can download and use there. Similarly, you have I just put there some size, some extensions. Taurus, Uport, you must try. The steps are available or on these sites also. There we installed MetaMask. You can add different extensions for this. Mist browser is also there. Even MetaMask is also providing some browser you can use.
I think most of the queries have been resolved. Thank you so much, sir, for such an informative session. So we all can have a break for next half an hour, and we all will meet at around 12:15. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir. We'll again meet at 2:30.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.